Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will tackle an interesting coding problem which is LeetCode. We have given two strings S and T and we need to return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. What does it mean? An anagram is a word or a phrase of rearranging letters and different words. It means that we need to rearrange the letters of a word or a phrase, but we don't need to include or exclude any of the element in the word or a phrase. Okay, so we will see the example number 1. We have an input S anagram string and T nagaram. Okay, we can see that anagram and nagaram have equal letters, not any letter include or exclude in it, so output is true. In example number 2, we have input S rat and we have car in T. Okay, so here we can see that R A in rat and AR in car are same. Okay, but we can see that T replaced with C. That's why the output for that example will be false. Hope you understand this problem statement. Let's jump on the code. So let's dive right in. We can solve it by converting the string into the list, and then we can check if length of both strings are equal, then we return true, and if the length of both strings which we converted into the list are not equal to each other, then we can simply return false over here. So here we can take a str1 variable and list function to convert the string into the list, and str2 for converting the T into the list. Here we will use the statement if to check the length of both strings which we converted into the list. Okay, so for that condition we write if length of str1 is not equal to length of str2, then simply what it will do here, simply it will return false. And after that condition we can solve it into the, and after it we can sort both of the string without converting into the list. So we will take str1 str.sort function. With the sort function we can sort both of the strings, and we can check that if str1 is equal to the str2, then return true, otherwise false. Okay, so here we sort both of the strings, and here, and now we put if condition if str1 is equal and is equals str2, that means both strings are equal, then we return simply true. In else statement we return false. Now run the code and check whether it's correct or not. It accepted all the test cases over here. Yes. Now we can implement this code into the example number 1, anagram and nagaram. Firstly, we can check by putting the print function over here, str1, just to check that str1 and str2, just to check that how it converts string into the list. The pseudo code is here. You can check each letter of a string separated by comma. And after converting, if not any element in excluded or included in the word or phrase, that we have in S and T. So we return true. Now we can sort both of them. We can sort anagram and then we can sort anagram. After sorting, let me print over here str1 and str2. We just run it. Okay. Now you can see that both lists are equal to each other. If we sorted both of them, not a single letter include or exclude any of them. Okay, here we check if both strings are equal. Return true. In else condition, if both are not equal, just return false over here. Now it's time to discuss the time and space complexities. The time complexity of this code where the n is equals to the length of a string. This is O of n log n because of sorting operation. We apply sort operation. That's why the time complexity of sort, O log n. So overall time complexity is O of n log n. If we talk about the space complexity, it will be O of n just because we create list of characters for both strings in our code. Hope you learned from this video. I have solved multiple more problems for you guys and I will share it daily one by one with you all. If you have any feedback, just do comment on it. Thanks for watching.